As he sends in the cross, that's the first goal from Fabio Gama. Right place, right time. Deadlock is broken. We are in for a game.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. If you're new here, you know what to do. Subscribe and hit that notification bell. Wow, that game was a very interesting game because Asokwa Derportivo played very well. I didn't expect them to play that good. I think I don't know if their players are so good or their coaching is so good because they are playing very well. It's as if, in fact, they deserve to be in the Ghana Premier League because the way they play today, I don't know if it's because we are so bad. I don't know if it's because we are so bad. That is why it looked as if Asokwa Derportivo are playing very well. But I think it was an interesting game, and I think we should work very well. I think Kotoko should work very well on their long range shooting because today was a disaster. Samuel Frimpong had a very horrible game. His crosses, I think he made only one. So in fact, he didn't make any successful cross into the box today. As far as I'm concerned, he was at fault for the first goal, the goal Asokwa Derportivo scored. I think he needs to do much better, considering the fact that he wore the captain armband today. He didn't play like a captain today. I think Asokwa Derportivo played very well. I think we played very well, and we just go away with the results. The penalty, I felt it was soft. The first penalty they gave us, I felt it was soft. The second goal we scored, it was a beauty. I think it was a beauty, and I think the boys have the momentum to go to the finals of the FA Cup. Right now, we are playing very well. I think we should just improve because right now, I don't think we can beat any big team with this performance. We need to improve, work on the midfield, work on our crosses, work on our linking up with players. Amori Ibrahim and Evan Sademako, Fabio Gama, they were very good today, but others I can say the same for them. Modasiru he had about 2 or 3 chances to get clean shots to score goals, but he was blasting them off. I don't know why they don't calculate their shots before taking them. So I think there's a lot of work to be done if we want to win the FA Cup. I don't think we can use this performance to win the FA Cup. They need to improve before we can think about or dream about the FA Cup, because we have other good teams in the FA Cup. And Asokwa Derportivo had a lot of chances today. Razak Abalora was very good with his long range saves and all that. I think we are lucky. We were lucky. I think we are lucky, and Asokwa Derportivo were unlucky because they played very well. The midfield, their passing, their coordination were just very good. So overall, I think we just have to improve. It was a good result. Yes, we played fairly well, but not good enough to give us the confidence that you're going to win the FA Cup. So I think there's room for improvements. The players can improve the performance, and the coach can work very well and choose the right player. Safu Taylor had a very torrid game. I think if he doesn't impress sooner or later, he's going to leave the club because his performance, he had another great chance today and he missed. He didn't even shoot the shot on target. It was appalling. This kind of chances you have to score to boost your confidence. If you don't do that, it's going to be difficult for the coach to put you again in the next game. So these chances, when they come, you take them. When these chances come, you take them. Osman Ibrahim came in today too, and I was expecting him to take chances today. He had opportunity to pass the ball, but he shot wide. I think all these small things. I know everyone is trying to score to impress the coach for them to play the next game or move into the first team, but I thought they should have played very well today. Everyone should work together. You see, Amoro Ibrahim had a perfect opportunity to shoot, but he decided to pass to Evan Sademoko to score the second goal. That is the partnership we want in this Kotoko team. Not everyone trying to shoot, everyone trying to score alone. It won't help anybody, and it's just going to hurt us all. So I feel that the players should try and work together. The long range shots should be accurate. If you don't think you can get an accurate shot, try and pass the ball. It's very easy. It's very easy. So I feel that we have a lot of things to work on to win the FA Cup, and if we don't do that, there is no way we are winning the FA Cup. We shouldn't be even talking about winning the FA Cup if we don't deal with those situations. Yusuf Mubarak came in and played very well today. Andrew Sapau, brilliant as always. Emmanuel Keke, unfortunate to go off injured, but I think he was fairly okay. Fabio Gama, brilliant as usual. Who again? Andy Kumi, he disappeared all through. I don't think anyone in the up front and the attacking line were trying to link up or him linking up with he was just a ghost in the game. Same with Safu Taylor until he got the opportunity and missed it. Ivan Sadomako very good, Fabio Gama very good. So overall, I think Asokwa Derportivo played very well, and if they had taken their chances, I think they could have won because they had better chances to score. Kotoko were just squandering their chances, and instead of creating, they resort into on unnecessary long range shots, and I think they should work on that, as I said earlier. So I think that's all for today. If you have anything to say, you have anything to comment on this game, or you have any contribution or question, you can put that in the comment section and tell me what you think. Put that in the comment section. Let's talk. So subscribe if you haven't, hit that notification bell, and I think that's all for today. Till next time, guys, goodbye.
Making sure that ball is tapped in or in a good position to finish up.
Well, there's an awkward header back by Derportivo. Good he is. Up comes Fabio Gama. Goalkeeper got the action and got the angle well. Delayed a little bit. Fabio Gama has it for Kotoko.
Well, goalkeeper.
That game could not materialize, but this one is happening. It is Imoro into the 18-yard box. Easy goal for Ivan Sadomako. So again, without any stress, without any hustle.
Thing happening. Now, that long ball from Yusuf Mubarak, and it troubled Emmanuel Jande. And Imoro capitalized on that and just, look at that pass. Brilliant pass to locate Adomako, who was lacking, who was attacking that ball. And he makes it goal number 3 in the MTN FA Cup for Kotoko. Look at
3
Moro's
goals.
pass. Brilliant pass.
Exactly. Saw Adomako coming up.
Making sure that ball is tapped in or in a good position to finish up.
Well, there's an awkward header back by Derportivo. Good he is. Up comes Fabio Gama. Goalkeeper got the action and got the angle well. Delayed a little bit. Fabio Gama has it for Kotoko.
Well, goalkeeper.
That game could not materialize, but this one is happening. It is Imoro into the 18-yard box. Easy goal for Ivan Sadomako. So again, without any stress, without any hustle.
Thing happening. Now, that long ball from Yusuf Mubarak, and it troubled Emmanuel Jande. And Imoro capitalized on that and just, look at that pass. Brilliant pass to locate Adomako, who was lacking, who was attacking that ball. And he makes it goal number 3 in the MTN FA Cup for Kotoko. Look at
3
Moro's
goals.
pass. Brilliant pass.
Exactly. Saw Adomako coming up.